Sometimes, the Bluetooth option goes missing on Windows 11. So in this video, we will show you how to bring it back. Firstly, run the appropriate Windows troubleshooters by going to Settings, select System, choose Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and then click on the Bluetooth option to run it. Next, check the Quick Settings panel by clicking on it on the taskbar. Click the pencil icon at the bottom right. Then select Add, and choose Bluetooth from the list to add it to the panel. Now if the Bluetooth icon is still missing, you may have probably removed the icon as well. So to bring it back, head to Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices, go to Devices, click More Bluetooth Settings, click this box, then select Apply, followed by OK. Moreover, configure the Bluetooth support service by searching Run. Type in the following, then press Enter. Now double-click on the Bluetooth support service. Set the startup type to Automatic from the drop-down menu, and click Apply to save the changes. Now, by following these steps, you can now fix the Bluetooth issues on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.